And today in our Green Focus, we look at the role between energy and the environment. And while none of us can really control the price of petrol and cooking gas, which always seem to be on the rise, imagine if there was a way to get 3 hours of cooking gas absolutely free every day.
Like most people, Raj Muthreja loves his morning cup of tea. But what makes his routine a little different is that his tea is boiled using gas that comes from his kitchen waste. It all starts with segregating garbage in the kitchen, mixing in water and putting the mixture into the biogas plant. Overnight, bacteria helps to naturally break down the garbage into manure, which can be used in the garden. It also generates 3 hours of gas for the kitchen stove.
What I feel today, that my passion as of India it concerns, I want all the houses to be a powerhouse generating their own electricity or maybe the gases through this system.
While biogas technology has been around for a while in India, Raj wanted to make portable units which can be used in homes even in cities. A unit like this can be purchased for 18,000 and can even be placed in balconies in apartment blocks. In Kerala, similar units have been used to even power generators to run street lights.
I have seen the way people live. If they start using their waste into the energy form, it could be very, very good for them. Plus it will be hygienic for them, and more or less all problems would be sorted out.
Today, most Indian cities are battling to get rid of waste in landfill sites that are fast filling up. The portable biogas units can also help by reducing the amount of garbage that needs to be transported to landfills, and in the bargain end up reducing your cooking gas bills. In Delhi, Siddharth Pandey and Kunal Chikale's report for NDTV.